How to configure Twilio number. In this video, I'll show you how to configure Twilio number. So to get started, go ahead and open your Twilio account and head over to your console. So on your console, you need to go ahead and buy or select a number. So to buy a number, you need to go ahead and click on this phone number section at the left side of your screen. So this is presented by this toggle list. So simply click on that and then click on manage under that. So to be able to buy a number, click on this buy a number button. And then once you're in here, go ahead and scroll down and look for a number you want to buy and then click on this buy button at the right side of that number. Now make sure that your number has a SMS and voice capabilities before you go ahead and proceed on buying this. And then once you have bought a number, head over into the active number section. And to configure your Twilio number, click on that number that you want to configure and that will take you into the configure tab. So in here, make sure to set the configure width to 3 bin. Make sure to incorporate all of the required configuration for this number before you proceed on saving the changes, and that is how you can basically configure Twilio number. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.